ChatGPT, the AI tool that's taking the tech world by storm, is here to revolutionize the way you work and learn. It's no secret that technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace and it can be difficult to keep up, but with ChatGPT, you'll be ahead of the game. At first, the thought of a tool like ChatGPT might be intimidating, with some even fearing it could take our jobs. But after spending some time with it, it's clear that it's not here to replace us, but to make us even better. Imagine having a personal genius at your disposal, ready to assist you with coding, hacking, and even writing code for you. It's like having a study partner that's always available, helping you to learn and work faster. But don't just take my word for it, let me show you a demo. Watch as I turn ChatGPT into Linux in seconds and even install Nmap on a fake machine. The possibilities are endless and the results are impressive. And the best part? ChatGPT is completely free. All you have to do is follow the link in the description to get started and have a conversation with the smartest AI mankind has ever seen. But ChatGPT isn't just for tech experts, it's for anyone looking to improve their skills and make their life easier. Let's say you want to create a virtual machine in the cloud but don't know how. No problem. Just ask ChatGPT in regular language and it will give you the Python code you need, complete with comments to explain it all. Don't believe me? Watch as I use it to deploy a virtual machine on Linode, all while using my location in Dallas, Texas. It's that simple and intuitive. And it's not just a one-trick pony, ChatGPT is also a great tool for managing virtual machines. Linode, the sponsor of this video, offers lightning-fast virtual machines and top-notch support. Plus, with their simple control panel, you can easily deploy and manage your VMs in no time. Use the code NETWORKTRUCK for $100 credit for 60 days, so you can try it out for yourself. So what is ChatGPT? Let me ask it to explain itself. ChatGPT is an advanced natural language processing AI tool that can assist users with coding, hacking, and more. It can also understand and respond to conversational language, allowing for a more natural and intuitive experience. The future of technology is here and ChatGPT is leading the way. Don't be left behind. Join the tech revolution and make your life easier and more efficient. Click the link in the description now and start having a conversation with the smartest AI mankind has ever seen. With ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless and the results are impressive. So why wait? Sign up now and experience the power of ChatGPT for yourself.